This is why you don't drill tempered glass, the false hope of drilling tempered glass.
Right?
Yep, okay.
3/4. Right at 3 inches. This plumber's putty to seal it so the water will stay in the well.
And what are these?
I want the number on it. 1 3/4 inch.
1 3/4. I got it.
Yep, got it.
What about your other bit? You want to use? Okay.
Diamond. Okay.
That's why I was saying, I was like, this gives you false hope, because you're like, oh man, I should almost be all the way through.
You got it?
Yeah.
So I hear it. It's like Rice Krispies and Snap Crackle Pop.
It was cutting it, and it cut down pretty deep. I don't know how deep.
It looks like it went down at least 1/8 of an inch, maybe more.
We were most of the way through.
Go over there, you can
Hear the tension coming out of it?
hear.
It's relaxing. No, I mean, the glass is relaxing.
Yeah. I thought you were saying it's relaxing to listen to glass breaking.
No, I wouldn't say that, but